Paano na? Paano? Oh. Ha? Naku, kunti. Oh. Ipadol na!
Hey, Michael's praise. Hey. So, good day everyone, and welcome to our
Art
Culmination
Culmination
2025.
Today is the celebration of creativity, collaboration, and passion. We've all worked so hard, and now it's time to showcase the results of our artistic journey. To start our program, may we all rise for the opening prayer to led by Era.
Praise. My heart is so proud. My mind is so unfocused. I see the things you do to me, as great things I have done. And now you gently bring me, then lovingly you take me. As my Father, and move me as my Maker. I ask you how many times will you pick me up when I keep letting you down? And each time I will fall short of your glory, how far will forgiveness abound? And you answer, my child, I love you. And as long as you're seeking my face, you walk in the path of my daily sufficient grace. At times I may break and feel a bit discouraged, knowing that someone somewhere could do a better job. For who am I to serve you? No, I don't deserve you. And that's the part that burns in my heart and keeps me hanging on. I ask you, how many times will you pick me up when I keep letting you down? And each time I will fall short of your glory, how far will forgiveness abound? And you answer, my child, I love you. And as long as you're seeking my face, you walk in the path of my daily sufficient grace. You are so patient with me, Lord. As I walk with you, I'm learning what your grace really means. The price that I could never be was made at Calvary. Instead of trying to repay you, I'm learning simply obey you by giving up my life to you for all that you've given to me. I ask you how many times will you pick me up when I keep on letting you down? And next time I will for sure of your glory. How far will forgiveness abound? And you answer, my child, I love you. As I long I'm thinking my day, you walk in the power of my daily sufficient grace.
Alright, that's a wrap. So thank you very much, Miss Mary, for that very angelic voice. So, right now, ano papunta na guys? Okay ba ba ang tanan? Okay ba ba ang tanan? So once again guys, good day to everyone, and in behalf of my very beautiful here co-host and their blessed to celebrate this occasion with you guys. And we hope that this special event we guys could celebrate our hearts, our joy, and our hard work towards our artworks here. And also because I know and do believe that art is more than just a drawing or painting, but it's all about the story. It's also about the heart, the message that you guys are going to portray with that art. Alright, so each of you has created something beautiful, and that something is something to be proud of.
So, to our teachers, thank you very much. And to our teacher, thank you, sir. And to my classmates, thank you for supporting us. This is our time to shine. Keep creating, keep dreaming, and never stop believing in yourself. So today, enjoy the rest of the program.
Okay, that's a very inspiring message from my co-host here. So guys, isa may iburing ka na diya. Sino ang promoting? So right now guys, since we are going to the second segment of our program, we are being entertained right now with the beautiful and energetic coming from the voice of Joyce Alba.
Disconnected.
Ibugnaw mo sa gusto mo di ari. O ibugnaw mo, isbog mo ari.
opening praise. So, papaano naman ang atong singer dito guys? Kami, padula. Ang 100. Makuha next year.
Sige.
Sabi ko. Makuha ko niya ang Lunes. Pwede pa makuha ang prize pagka next enrollment. Basta na may 100 na. Sige. So, ang ako padula guys is one. Regarding sa itong artwork. So, kailan ang instruction is mupili si Sir Derek kung sa kabuk nga artwork na yun. Imong i-explain kung sa siya about din. Dapat imong,
Ay, wala lang.
imong i-explain kung sa siya niya. Kung sakto imong sakto ang imong explanation, send lang ang tagiyan na sakto na. So, explain mo yung explain. Wala kay point. For example, example ko no. So kani siya ang pula is akong ma-describe is the death or the mourn season. So kuan siya kanabot siya ay namatay ito. Kailan ra umabot. Namatay siya sa pagkauman is wala mo explain. Kung inyo ka tagiya din mo. So di ako ba ang tubag ko sila. Sige. Sige, sila ko. Sige, kinsay na kiyaan yung kuhan. Lawas. Sige, kinsay ka na ang kuhan.
Bisaya ra.
Kaya or English ka. Sige, Karen.
Kinatay na ka.
So, try ako. Based ako nakita is, sa pag-describe na ako sa picture is, be confident, wear what you can, sulod ka, o sa imong ganahan, then regardless sa imong insecurities, or sa kanimong lawas niya, or sa imong ganahan, wear, don't mind sa mga tao nga palibot nimo, then sa mga different colors is, regardless sa imong color, be confident.
So, usap na ay nakuhan. Ano ba? 100. Next week.
No.
Kinsa lang.
Kaya natin first contestant. Usap na eh. Dili na pwede answer niya ha? Wala na tayo. Different na. Isa pa. Ayuso.
Nasa dito.
Answer ka ng...
Ari, di makita.
Ay, para makita ka sa to. Sige, live yan, taga-live.
Answer ka ni... Isa.
Video ra na. Oh, minugalay.
Dili sa piece of painting ang sila yung gidrawing sa kay. Makita niya po na makita na ito nga ilang painting kay kaning gamin ba nga be confident sa mo sa gingon ganyan ni Karen. Pero it also shows ko kanang kabahin sa LGBTQ nga na-show nga isa kuan ka, isalan ka bayot or boy. Kaya represent niya po siya nga be confident of who you are kay kuan mo na. Ikaw man nga dasan ko galing.
So what is LGBTQIA? What is LGBTQIA?
LGBTQ.
LGBTQIA.
Lesbian, gay,
Lesbian gender.
bisexual, trans, quality.
Wrong.
Kayong kabayot ko ng answer. Ha? LGBTQIA. IA naman siya karon. So, plus. Naman siya LGBTQIA. Okay? So, pero ang tubag sa'yo. Diba, Kevin? Oh, wala ka pa na you got the point, but not exactly. Not exactly nakuha ni mo ang point. Sa iya, mo pa-explain. Nasa part, portion rabat, ganahan ni kanang insakto yun nga tubag pa. Sige. Another one. Ray. Ray, sige Ray. I know si Ray, nagunauna ni siya. Sige na Ray. Oh, wala. Ah, si Sandro kuno. Sandro. Mora gyapon sa yaka. Kay the picture shows that there are meaning nga kanabang naka-anchor niya. Why did the painter paint that kind of image? First, it tells about the color itself. Why did they use that color? It is because you said representing the LGBTQ+. But that's not karapitang pinaka-highlight niya. Yang giingon ko niya, karapitang you can, be confident. Be confident ba na siya nga pa? Mura, dili siya be confident. Though, ganahan siya na mo-show sa iyang kaugalingon. Be yourself. And sa pa, naa siya'y kanabitaw sa iyang gibuhat nga. Wala na kahubo. Sige, maghubo na. Wala na kahubo, church. Si Andre. Sige, Joan. Sige, Joan. Okay. So, dito bili ka na, Joan. Inyuhan mo na, di ba? Inyuhan na ka-drawing. Oh, dali. Sige.
Hello.
This painting dili na lang tayo. Madayo na pala. Sige na. Susuan. Kababawiyaw mo.
This painting featuring stylish female formula bikini filled with bold, colorful abstract patterns can be interpreted as a metaphor for student life, especially its inner complexities and external expectations. The white bikini symbolizes the surface, what others often see, the image of a student who looks composed, trying to meet academic and social expectations. But underneath this, neat appearance is a swirl of vibrant, chaotic, and layered colors. These colors represent the emotions and challenges students face. Stress represent red, growth represent a green, creativity represent blue, confusion or pressure represent yellow, and even moments of peace represent purple. Each color blends. Each color blends and overlaps, showing that student life is never one-dimensional. Just like the painting avoids showing a face, it reminds us that many students go through their struggles silently, hiding what they feel behind a confident exterior. The body's posture, strong and upright, echoes resilience, reflecting how students must stand firm despite internal struggles. These paintings teaches us that being a student isn't just about academics. It's a colorful journey of emotional, mental, and personal growth. Behind every calm exterior is a complex inner world, and this artwork beautifully captures that truth.
Wala to, sir.
Diba? Nindot kayo ang meaning, pero nga to ang expectation, kayo. Pero, doon siya tinuod.
Okay, so wala kayong tawag na to guys. So next na buta, last one na lang. Okay, so kita yung pa-editor na rin natin. Okay, Phil, so kinsay ka na mo interpret.
Si Jane.
Sige, Era.
Pwede mo Bisaya.
Sa ako ang nakitaan, kuan kana, di ba nanigarilyo siya, so kanang aso mag-black, nagkuan na siya sa mga neighbor sa palibot nga mga piktaran. Kaya yun po nawas na piktaran.
Another one. Sige.
Matayin ako. Para na ko dyan, ang pan sa painting is such a no smoking. Diba, ang iyang aso is color black. Kung maguan ka, kung manigarilyo ka, so natay ka, kana magkasakit ka, which is, na siya murag color red ang sa payi. Then, color black kay makadaot man na siya nga, makadaot man ang pagsigarilyo. Pero, pag di naman nigarilyo, natay good future, which is kanang murag sunrise kanang sa background ganing niya. Which is para nako, maurang ko.
Alright, sige, isa pa. Isa pa guys. Last one.
Balik.
Nana?
Ano gusto? Si Balik.
Si Brian.
Based on that painting is represent to the kasakatawo nga nanigayo kaning wala na siya kabalo if usa yung buhaton. There are many problems of his life, there's many struggle, then kaning wala siya kabalo sa buhaton, that's why na isulod siya mga bisyo to what kanang mana na para na ko para na kinabuhi or if ever usa kong maabot-ani padayon ba o mamatay man galing siya patayin ko siya kanang misulod sa bisyo dili na pasabot nga iyahang ganahan or maybe misulod siya ng bisyo kay wala siya na siya yung mga problem nga di niya ma-overcome. So, mo ito dyan picture nga. Feel freedom niya ng visual niya.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Falik. Okay, isa pa guys. Natin tulong ka po Brian.
Kami doon ko na ni. Kami doon Churchill.
Sakit dong, do.
So sa ako explanation about sa artwork ni Lloyd Norton is all about the freedom of expression, which is kanang true cigarette is diyan na lang niya gipaagi ang tanan niya na problema gani na as a man or woman, siyempre not all na pwede niya isulti sa tanan niyang kuan kanang sinaw gani kanang nakapalibot siya. So diyan na lang niya gipaagi na tanan niya problema, diyan na lang gipaagi og smoking. So basta diyan na lang.
So, pagpapan sa as a smoker good note is like naman kay sa problema kanini mo mga lisod natin mo tagasan is di mo na lang ipahagi og smoke then kay like kung may mag-smoke ka is di mo ban murag malimtan nimo then just lang ingon nga makamatay. So yes naman na pero it takes long time so murag
Alright, so, moto yung last na itong interpreter, si Brian o si Churchill, do sila. Sige. Tagya, ang paper. Masay sakto mo ito ba?
Brian sir nga kuan na tuwid na tungod sa stress ba. Tuwid na siya kahit tungod sa stress ba. Kamatay ka nang ubang tao nga mas stress o kuha na lang sila kanang sigarilyo, di ba mo inaw. Una siya na.
So, kinsa ang panan?
Sakto ka.
Palik ka, palik.
Kinsa?
Kasi palik mo na. Yes, sir.
Nalipalik ako ng blend. Ito na ina akong madulang guys. So, right now, we will entertain by Joyce, by Churchill Boy.
Joy sa camera.
Ibig kong mag-ibig tumubing dagat na hagit ka ng alon, aking mga paan muling bumalik sa iyong lanhanang pag-ibig. Sa aking pagdayo'y ako'y namatay sa piling na mayon kung saan maririmutan lahat ng sakit. Huwag ka kasi ang ano naman ako. Wala nang ipagpapalik para dito. Marami ang napananabing pagkasya. Ako hindi na nanunulakan. Ako na bahala sa'yo na kaya. Yan sabi sa akin. Then we had a long time. He went out to the and when you left her dead and gone, she had nothing to hold on. Then we want to run away. She no longer wants to stay. Girls like crawling in the dark, no someone going, say goodnight.
Thank you, Joyce, for that very vivid answer.
Flavorful, crunchy, so beautiful.
Okay, so we have a one person to sing. So we welcome here in front.
Ayaw pa ka lang. Tuhan, George. Sino George? Wala ka. Ay, basi kay Ads.
gabing araw ikaw ang nais kong sabihin na ay matatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay na wala nang iba sa aking puso, tunay kang nag-iisa. Walay ka kahit sandali sa aking piling. Dahil isang pag-isip ko matatagpuan. Ikaw sa gabing araw ikaw ang nais kong sabihin na ay matatanaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na niyang iba sa aking puso, tunay kang nag-iisa.
Sige na tayo, Dok. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na, Dok.
Thank you very much for a very wonderful and angelic voice, Mr. George. So, nahimo siya nakarana sa ato agad guys. So, grabe.
So we now proceed to the first batch of art presentations. Let's give it up for group 1, 2, and 3 as they showcase their works.
So, group 1, be ready. Say group 1.
May grupo. Basta rin mga grupo. Dili, naaman mo isa unang grupo. Depende Take group 5
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, our artworks, we call it Summer Star Night. It symbolizes a life journey ng tulo under the blue ocean sa starry sky. So, kani siya symbolize ng tulo ng mga every kalisod sa kinabuhi nato ang mga na-achieve kada ng gamay diri nato.
As you can see, guys, kanay turo ka tao diri na bigay siya makita. So kanang tulo ka tao diri represents us, ang tulo, and mo nga na siya sa paggabi siya guys kay we all know that life is full of trials, challenges, and brokenness, and no matter what life may throw to us, I do believe that our friendship remains strong, just as the fire that ablaze here in our bonfire. So,
Nalipod ang painting, as you can see, kanang kulay, na siya pagka-black. Nag-choose na mo ang black kay tungkol sa kada gusto na mo is na ang mga pain o mga struggles in life. Mo nang gigwa na mo og black dahil kani mga ating moon, as you can see, mura na siya serve as bugay na tulog. Kaya despite of those hardship na amon na kwan is naa siya ko'y light na guide na mo. And then kaning, as you can see, kaning kwan boat is serve as our journey. Journey namin tagsa. Maskin usa na tuod siya na boat namon kay Joey. But maskin usa ra siya is kaming tulo ang usa kay ani throughout upat katuig aning college year. Kaming tulo ra ani na usa ka boat. Manang reason na aming boat diri. So maura to.
thank you very much, Group 1. So, Group 2, you may now proceed to your plan. Group 2. Group 2. We are the group 2 guys. Morning artwork among the drawing guys. It symbolizes the ato ang paginabuhi sa una ba dayong na-show sa among art nga at ang ato mga nostalgic memories kay di ba ever since kita mo jud tanan dire gasugod mo yung tanan mag-drawing ng mga bata nga mag-drawing ng mga balay, doon ay bukid, ay palayan, doon ay mga mountains. So muna nga mga gibutang sa among arts nga it symbolizes na the nostalgic memories of kitang mga Pilipino. Eh, siyempre kita medyo mga Pinoy na usog ng dream na nanin.
Kini symbolize ko siya sa kuan kanang poverty o sa natural resources. O mostly kuan kanang sikat kayo sa diba sa Pilipinas sikat kayo ng kuan kanang magpangisda. So mo siya symbolize ko siya sa kuan sa poverty sa Pilipinas. O natural resources o sa kawan.
Ayo. Ganong gray at tubig kay one man. Kaya di ba, ningon na siya kanina nga i-symbolize is poverty. So makita ko na ito nga symbolize siya poverty. Ato ang tubig kay polluted na. Kanya na.
Dayo. Kasi mulai ko siya sa kuan kana kailangan i-promote nato ang kato gani nga atong gi-space nato dito sa nga plastic waste. No naani ka katsada ang nature nato kung limpyo kayo atong gilimpyuhan.
Thank you, Group 2. So may I request the Group 3?
So, good afternoon everyone. So, we are the group 3. So, wala ang meaning sa ang artwork. So, first, akong ikuan ang kaning babae. So, the girl in the painting represents of myself, Lisa, and Jonah. Not just physically living, but emotionally and spiritually grounded in prayer, showing our deep faith, humility, and dependence on God. So, her position reflects our behavior as calm, respectful, and spiritually reflected individuals as who turn to prayer in times of joy, struggle, and decision. So, and this painting shows that our strength lies not in being loud or dominant, but in quiet devotion, loyalty, and inner peace. Then the next is the hidden moon behind the bamboo. So, the faded circle of the moon behind the bamboo represents hope hidden by life circumstances, but still present and shining, just like us. Even when things are unclear, we trust that the light or the God's guidance is still there. It reminds us that faith isn't always being seen clearly. Sometimes it's just believing the light is coming.
Another cross is stand as a powerful symbol of our group's Christian foundation. It's not just an object, but a reminder of our shared beliefs and source of strength. It's upright and sturdy, from forms mirrors how we rely on our faith to keep our group stable, united, and centered, no matter what life brings. It also suggests that Lord Jesus Christ is the center of our friendship, the fourth invisible members who hold us together. In the tree and bamboo strip of leaves, it suggests challenges, changes, and growth. They are not lifeless, but waiting for a new season. Just like we all go through emotional season, these trees represent the struggle of our group has faced personal battles, misunderstanding, and losses. But the bamboo represent that we enjoyed and remain strong. Their thin, reaching branches symbolize how each of us extended ourselves toward growth, healing, and understanding. The red-orange sky, fading into light and shadow, symbolize the time of transition, the end of a difficult journey, and there will be a beginning of hopeful one. It can reflect our behavior as people who have grown through hard times and now moving forward toward bright days. The word colors also reflect the passion, energy, and fire in our friendship. Even in silence, we shine together. The hill and ground. The even sloping hills reflect life's journey, sometimes steep and difficult, but always worth climbing. Our group's behavior we can describe as resilient and determined, always moving forward even if the path isn't easy. The way the girl and the cross are all separate hills may symbolize our individual paths in life and faith, but now we are still connected through shared belief.
So overall, this painting is a visual reflection of our unity, faith, and journey. We may walk separate paths, but we share one heart in prayer, one strength in faith, and one patience in love. Through the sunset, cross, trees, and the girl, you can see a group that has been through struggle, but stands stronger than ever. One that chooses prayer over pride, purpose over popularity, and grace over noise. So in the end, this painting is not just an art. It's a testimony of who we are as an individual
and as a friend. Faithful, grounded, strong, and beautifully united. And that's all. Thank you.
What a very powerful message from their portrait. So right now guys, that's a first wrap of the first batch of the paintings. Right now, ito may tinawag na presentation niya. Sabanang! Okay, sabanang. Alright, so right now guys, we are being entertained by Karen's group. We have Karen, Jenny, Sandro, Rita, Jean, Joyce, and Romary. Okay, a round of applause please. Oh, Alright, what a very beautiful dance presentation. Thank you guys.
Disconnected.
Alright, so right now guys, is manunod ang sayo sa kanta ng banda. Alright, so the floor is yours, Miss Mahala. Miss Agesing, the Papulas Connection pa.
Couple dance. Ayaw ba yung couple? Ay, couple dance, guys. Couple dance. O, doon na yung Kenji.
Hello. Kung ako ay papanarin na ako iyong mahalari, pangakong ikaw lang aking ibigin, magpakailanman. Sige ka, pipilitin, sundin mo ang iyong damdamin, kaya na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Sige ka, pipilitin, sundin mo ang iyong damdamin, kaya na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin.
Kakadikit sa rin yung Lisa. Grabe ka-gifted ko din siya.
So, hello guys, okay ta mo? Hap hap! Hap hap! Hap hap! So, naarabihang nun kamay. Kuan, during explanation, usaran mo kuan sa inyong painting. Usaran mo explain. Okay ra? Yes! Pero mupuyog sa mga tanan. Kamu ang duha mupuyog. Okay ra? So, let's continue the celebration with another round of creative talent. Presenting the artworks of groups 4, 5, and 6.
Right. Group 4. The floor is yours.
So, this painting is really sweet and full of heart. It shows three cute little ghosts, like figures hugging each other. They have their eyes closed and look so peaceful, showing how close and loving their friendship is. These three ghosts represent me and my closest friends. A little trio that feels like family.
Floating above them are three colorful hearts. So, kaning hearts, dili ali sila fan decoration, but these three hearts showcases our favorite colors. Like, kaning blue, mo siya yung favorite color ni Jelly. Yeah, ako aning yellow, kaning is yellow green. So, kaning mga tulong ka heart, represent ko na siya sa among different personalities and kuan sa among uniqueness na matulog.
The background is a shade of red, giving the whole painting a fun and cheerful feeling. There's also a black around the holes, which makes them stand out and draws your eyes to the hug. It really makes the whole scene feel warm and special. Even though this painting is not perfect and small, it carries a big message about love, friendship, and feeling at home with the people who truly know and care about you. It is a little reminder of how magical friendship can be, even when shown through the street tiny clothes. Thank you so much, and mabuhay!
Thank you, Mabuhay.
Sir, kumana po, sir.
Group 6. Let's go.
So, maon yung aming painting. Ikuan na ni is Atom. Atom. So, Autumn reminds us that there is beauty in change. Just like the trees let go of their leaves. We too must learn to release with no longer serve us. Every falling leaf is a gentle whisper that says, it's okay to start again. This season teaches us that endings are not failures. They are simply part of the cycle of growth. In the calm of autumn's golden light, we are invited to slow down, reflect, and prepare for new beginnings. So let this autumn be a season of courage where you embrace change, trust your journey, and believe that something even more beautiful is waiting ahead.
That was very inspiring poetry. Okay. So since we are done with the second batch, we will go down to the fourth Namuhatag intermission number. Okay, we welcome Sabanal here in front.
Sayaw ra do.
Sayaw lang, sayaw. Tingkok.
Sabanal.
Okay, welcome Tingkok. Anta sayaw.
Connected.
Sa pagsuyo mo dito
Tula ba?
sa katulad ko sinaw nila may pag-ibig ba? May pagpapasa doon tayo ba?
Aris ba? Tula na.
Ang kaligyan sa
Tula na sir! Bora na! Tula na!
So thank you kayo. Isidro, Ego, Raji na natin yung kapita. And right now, we are being also entertained by a dance presentation to be led by Palo.
Sige na, patunga, patunga, patunga.
Sige na palakpakan guys.
Sige na. Sige na. Sige na.
Tumbling balok. Ay, may back rin yun.
Sige na. Sige na, sige na, basta. Sino mo ba? Guys, give me something. One, two, three, go. Sige na.
We're in the mirror now, nakita.
Sige na.
1, 2, 3, go!
Guys, give me something.
Alright, so that's a wrap for the fourth presenters. Right now, we're going to the third batch. Okay, so let's welcome the batch 4 and batch 3. Let's welcome the group 7, 8, and 9.
Walang favorite.
7? Okay, 8, 9, 10. Group 8, let's go.
Group 8.
Group 8. Group 8. Group 8 sa guys, group 8.
So guys, for this, so guys, we are the group 8. So this painting shows a beautiful tree covered in pink blossoms. At first glance, it looks simple, but it actually holds a deeper meaning. The tree represents life. Its strong trunk and branches remind us how we grew through time and face different challenges. Even though the trunk is darker than it still stands firm. Just like us, when we stay strong during hard times. The bright pinks blossoms symbolize the good moment of life, happiness, hope, and love. These flowers reminded us that no matter how difficult life gets, there always be something beautiful in life. Just the white background makes the tree stand out more, showing that even in empty or quiet place, life and beautiful sunshine. This painting teaches us to appreciate the little moments of happiness and stay strong like a tree blooming no matter what season we're in.
Alright, very nice. Group 9. Okay, group 8, let's go.
So, good afternoon everyone. So, this type of artwork or title of this artwork is Incentive Selling, inspired by John Canning. And this type of painting is abstract painting. And as you can see, it captured the essence of serene sailing, which is here. Serene sailing scene at sunset or twilight through geometric shape and vibrant colors. It features a lone sailboat sequel against the backdrop of a distant mountain and a sky and sea rendered in distinct colorful segment. The use of bold line and contrasting hues creates a sense of pavement and depth, evoking the peaceful yet dynamic experience of sailing into a horizon. And title itself suggests a new beginning or the initial stage of a journey reflecting the tranquility and promise of a calm voyage or voyage. Thank you.
Alright, so that's very wonderful portrait coming from the group 8. Group 9, let's go.
The painting stands as herself. Being lonely under the light of the moon, she's being alone, longing for someone that will fulfill the missing piece in her heart. Being free to someone that hurts her a lot while accepting those who truly deserves being alone doesn't mean weak, but surviving independently.
So, kani siya is ako katong broken ko. So, in my life, so, there's a lot of challenges, but ni-scan ko para mag-grow ko balik, nga mahimo kong to become a better version of my life. Thank you.
Alright, so thank you tayo group 9. Group 10.
Group 10!
George, what? George?
Good afternoon, everyone. Our group chose to paint sunset because sunset gives us hope and remind us that at the end of the day, there is beauty and mystery and also reflect on the event of the day. And the scene of our painting and the small way reflect on progress, but be strong in every challenges that we face. The sound of the wave give us peace and appreciate the simple things in life.
Also the beautiful sunset also serves as powerful source of also inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians. Its beauty has been captured in countless painting, poems, and songs, each interpretation reflecting the unique perspective and emotion of the creator. Sunset's ability to evoke such a wide range of feelings, peace, serenity, melancholy, hope, speaks to its profound impact of the human psyche. The sunset is more than just a beautiful sight. It's just a multifaceted symbol that evokes a range of emotion and inspires creativity. It's a daily reminder of the cyclical nature of time, the beautiful of nature, the natural world, and the importance of taking a moment to appreciate the simple things in life. The next time you witness a sunset, to take a moment and truly appreciate the profound beauty and the rich of its trait of meaning it holds. That's all, thank you.
Oh, so next kayo ng portrayal ngayon guys. So next, group 11.
Sir, Nathan!
This painting represents the unique fire, the darkness in the background.
Sir, papasaran yung isip, sir. Pobre namin yung sir.
This painting represents the journey of life. The darkness in the background symbolizes the problems and hardships we all face along the way. The moments of sadness, confusion, and struggle. The middle of the darkness stands a tree, representing the happy memories that give us strength and hope. These are the times that remind us that still has beauty even in hard times. The moon above shine like the people who support us, our family, friends, and even our pets. We bring light into our darkest moment. Lastly, the reflection of the moon of the surface below is a symbol of our achievement.
that reflect not only our success but also serve as a quiet witness to all the pain and effort we endured to get here. That's all, thank you.
Alright, thank you, Group 11. So before we proceed to Group 12, so I request the Niña Orokay, but she will stay here in front of you guys.
Sige na dayon tayo. Hapon na kayo tayo.
Ay, hapon na.
Ayun, ako maarte na yun.
very nostalgic song you guys know. So right now, we're going to the last batch of presenters. I request the group, go. Ako to the last group. 11 to 13. Right, let's go.
Good afternoon to our class. This painting is represent the ocean is represent of a piece of our life, the calmness, and the sunset is represent of the ending, not just for our life, not just for our journey, but our problem. This mountain is represent by
This fountain is represent as it symbolizes us mga struggle sa kinabuhi. Example is usa pa mga pagtulay nga mapusok ang kinabuhi is nang determinado ka ba malampasan kini or para maabot ang ating mga journey or mga pangandoy.
Ating langgam is represent is sa freedom. Dili lang one last like one dili lang para nato nga problema nga one is nani pa like one nga pinolino.
Alright, thank you, group 12. Okay, let's go to the last group. Ang first group.
The large tree is centered by three images. The left side is green, represents childhood and youth are full of life, love, and new beginnings. And the center is the middle is symbolize adulthood or spring of life. The couple is older walking together under the setting sun. This part shows partnership, support, and journey through the life middle years. And on the right side, blue is represent old age and the end of life. The tree is bare first. The night has fallen, and two gravestones are shown. This show is final stage for that first phase of after a long life. And the bird is symbolize freedom and energy. Sun and moon is further support the idea of time passing from the day to night, just like from beginning to end. And sa kondyon sa kanan dyan na among paintings is life is journey with different stage from young love to growing all together to final reaching the end. The painting is remind us to appreciate everything, moment, value, our relationship to, and understand everything part of life has their own beauty. Thank you.
Otherwise, that's a wrap of our artworks portrayal. So right now guys, ang ginagawa yung specific na group na request sir. Ay, gusto ba na make a picture?
With your creation.
Sir, yan.
So we start with group 1.
Okay, group 1 as ang group 1.
Next group 2. Up to the last group.
Follow the next
Okay, request katipay to picture. Okay, group 2, okay na.
Paano na lang?
Bayo lang yan, pwede lang muli. Hello,
Next, group 2. Sila.
Group 2 na, group 2.
Group 2, make it fast.
Group 3. Group 4, okay.
Sir, dapat naka. Sir. Sir.
Sir, dapat apil ka, sir.
Dapat apil ka.
Okay, group 4.
Tuya na kayo? Ayo, gabi na ba? Di ko may sari sa to? Anong menitan?
Group 5.
5.
Kabisa. Kabisa.
Group 4, tayo group 4. Merry Christmas. Group 1. Group 5.
Ubus. Na, mga kagong model, upuan. Model plastic wrap.
Kita na, B.
6.
Kita na, B.
6. Prepare 7. 7. Sige, may ban. Yan na.
8.
Alam mo kaya ako tumatok manok.
Crush na kayo no?
Sige, 7.
Wala uy! Frankie! Tara! Makaw na tayo ako mo!
Okay, end up rotate.
7, 8.
Group 9.
Sige, ikaw na. Sige,
Terus dulu gua ini tunai kon. Kau ada yang
Wala pa po sila Wala pa po nila po. Ako alam mag-charger.
Group 9. 10.
Connected.
Ay, lumabot. Ay, dito alam na.
Ani malamer no? Ayaw mo.
Take two.
Papa Brian.
10. 11.
Asang usa ka 8. Manasa, di pa duha ka 8 mo.
Padol George, kino ba? Tunga ka George. Padol George. Padol George, tunga ka George. Padol George. Bakit ka Rubiero?
Sanchez bro.
Kapa kayo mo. Wala ba mo musik?
Last.
Next.
Pagani mo kayo mo tong kanino bro. Bota na mo George.
Next group.
Focus na George.
Dapat matara ko po sila.
11.
11.
Sir, makasara B6 sir ha?
Sir, sobre na kay tao ni Sir.
Pobre na din sir. Sa kadlaw kasara B6 si Franklin.
Andam group 13.
Piccolo. Piccolo. Piccolo.
Go Joy. Go
Banyok.
Go Bear. Go Bernard.
Bigyan na
Let's go. Here we go. Let's go. Prepare na ng ibang group kaya natin group picture. Kaya na ako na tagay. Okay, first ng tanang group, tanang Alam inyong what artworks. Ano yung nagmukso ka na? Diyan ang mga on. Ito lagi ni? Okay, off.